Hello friends, welcome to Online Earning Wise channel. Please subscribe my channel if you are new and press the bell button for new update. If you don't subscribe, you cannot know the withdrawal process, so you must subscribe. So I will share a new airdrop, and this airdrop expected value is about $60, and you will receive up to 800 token. The first step is you have to install MetaMask mobile app in your mobile. So if you don't have MetaMask account, just create a new account MetaMask, and you can see that I have already joined many airdrop. So first you have to go to Play Store and download MetaMask, and the second step is you have to go to setting, and you have to add a network. You can see networks, and go to add network, and you have to add a new network. So this network name is Hobby Chain HT mainnet. So I will give you the details instruction in the video description and my Telegram channel. So first you have to copy RPC URL and copy network name and chain ID and symbol. So network name is Hiko mainnet, and RPC URL you can see the video description, and chain ID is 128 and symbol is HT. So after that you have to click add button. You can see that Hiko wallet is now created, and you can see Hiko mainnet. So the second step is you have to go to the video description, and you can find the link of the Telegram bot, and you have to click the Telegram bot. So when you click the Telegram bot link, you can see this kinds of page. First you have to solve the captcha, and you can see the equation 72 minus 24. You have to type the answer, and after that you have to copy the link. So you can see that please visit the website nat.money, and click on connect wallet, and go back to the bot and click the check button. So first you have to copy the link and paste to the MetaMask browser, and after that connect and check. So I will do this step. First open your MetaMask and select Hiko mainnet. So you can see that Hiko mainnet is already selected, and after that click browser and paste the address you copied. So you can see that page is loading. You will see this kinds of page. You have to paste. So after that click go, and you can see that the page is now open. So you can see that the wallet is connected, and back to bot. You click Telegram bot and wait sometimes. You can see that check button is displayed, and click check button, and the task is join our Telegram group. 50 PGO token. So one PGO token price is about 8 cent. So join Telegram channel. So after that like Facebook, like their Facebook fan page, and go back to Telegram bot. Create a Facebook post about us. So click the link and open the link in your browser. So after completing all tasks, submit your details. So click submit your details button. So enter your email address. So after that, have you liked your Facebook fan page? Click yes, and thank you. Submit your Facebook link. So you have to copy your Facebook profile link and paste it here. So paste your Facebook profile link, and if you made a post, click yes. I don't made a post, so I click no. After that, I followed, and give your Twitter username, and after that you can see that congratulations, all task has been done, and you will receive a link of your referral. So you can see that this is your referral link, and you copy your link, and you can check your balance. I skip some tasks, so my balance is 200 PGO token. So you can see the withdraw. So you can withdraw this token after 15 of this month. So you have to copy the link, and when you copy the link and paste to the browser of MetaMask, so you can see this kinds of page. So you can see how many PGO token you can receive. So you can see that I have 190 PGO to claim. So when I click Pizzo, so you can see that you can request Pizzo token after May 15. So invite more friends to join the program and get more Pizzo. So you have to invite more friends to get more tokens. So this token will receive in your wallet of MetaMask. So this is a huge airdrop, so don't miss this airdrop, and you will receive your payment 100%. So if you are a crypto lover, subscribe my channel and join this airdrop. I will make another video how to exchange this token. If you want to see how to exchange and convert this token to other cryptocurrency, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you very much.